here we are. Duck à l'orange.
What are you having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Well, I know that, but what are you going to eat?
Well, I'll lift something up. A surprise.
My mom was thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Bless her. Mothers are all the same. They think it's part of their job description to keep us from having fun. Not my mother, though. Oh, no, she was different. Do you know what she used to say to me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig all the flowers from your freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can shimmy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, can't beat it. So Duckie, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food while you bite it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So Duckie, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything?
Yeah?
Well, I'd like to paddle in the puddle, step in the mud, take a ship back to the shallows. And maybe this time go sighting the slime to the march, we find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably something with a kitty. Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can shit your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't feed it. So Duckie, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food while you bite it. It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
I don't know. I never really tried one.
Well,